Welcome to the PaintAPP tutorial. Today we're going to guide you through customizing your quote template. First things first, navigate to the side menu, click on Settings, and then select Quote Settings. Here you will find the cover template options. You can choose from several preset cover templates or opt to upload your own custom design. If you prefer a simple look, you can also select a solid color from the color menu. I suggest going with the standard option and picking one of the 6 available choices. Now, let's go ahead and select one from the options. For color customization, it's best to choose a shade that aligns with your brand identity. Once you've picked your preferred color, you can set the quote expiration period for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. Next, it's time to add your company signature. I recommend saving your signature here. For the rates, set the GST at 10%. And make sure to select the state you are operating from for the home warranty. In this example, I'll choose Queensland. Under Terms and Conditions, you will find the standard terms that will always be included in your quotes. These include application, client responsibilities, license details, and several others. Finally, click on Save, and there you have it. You've successfully customized your quote template.